Before we wrap up, there's one more feature that's especially useful once your model is built: the clone model feature. From the deal page, which you can access either from the deal tracker or from within the model itself, you can clone any existing model to test different scenarios or deal structures without rebuilding it from scratch. Just click the three-dot menu next to the model and hit Clone. From there, you can open it up, rename it, and start adjusting your assumptions, whether that's your financing structure, investor terms, or any other key inputs. Everything from your original model carries over automatically, so you're free to modify the clone without affecting the original model. It's a quick way to build out multiple versions of the same deal. For example, a base case, downside case, and upside case, each with different growth rates, CapEx assumptions, or lending terms.